Do you want to create TikTok videos that has viral potential, even if you don't know nothing about the topic? Stick around. At the end, I will give you a recipe on how we reached 200,000 followers in just few weeks. So here's the truth. TikTok is the most insane platform nowadays to build large audience very fast. They make a living on TikTok by making videos, going live and earning money. So TikTok is a very good platform and they reward good content creators well. You can also have a lot of gifts from your live and you can use it in many other ways. So not being on TikTok, that is, in my opinion, a very bad idea. So here we're gonna go through one of the steps that we use to gain 200,000 followers, and I'm gonna explain you exactly what we are doing. I'm gonna do this one alone with ChatGPT, just to explain to you that I can actually only be using ChatGPT without using any other tools at all. Because of course, once you are a TikToker, you also use TikTok analytics. You go and check what is trending, you figure out what they are doing and try to figure out how you can make videos that are similar, for example. So TikTok is actually helping you to go viral. So of course you have to use that one too. But I'm gonna assume that we are only using ChatGPT because I want to teach you how we went viral with TikTok. So the first thing you have to do with TikTok is that you have to understand how to make content that has high value for the viewers. It's not about lip syncing and dancing only. It's not about doing those things that you are probably thinking like, this is not something I can do. But everyone can entertain someone. You can always make content that goes viral. It's not impossible no matter what you do. So let's assume that you are a 22-year-old girl from London who only can record with a phone, and you want to create viral content that has a large reach globally. So let's begin from here. I am a 22-year-old lady from London, and I have just started off with TikTok. I want to gain 200,000 followers in first month by making viral content. Okay. You are a professional scriptwriter who will help me to create viral scripts. Yes. So now you have set the idea to ChatGPT who you are and what you do. I don't know, of course, we have to make up something that you are also able to do. I don't know what that would be, but let's say I have talent in acting and doing comedy, for example. That's a cool thing, right? So I want you to give me, let's say, 3 examples of content I can create to other girls who are same age as me in London, for example. Let's say that's the beginning of your thing. Now, why would you not use ChatGPT? ChatGPT will shorten down your production time with a lot. It will help you gain new ideas. It will help you write good scripts. It can help you with so many things. Many people know about ChatGPT, but people are not using it. And once they are using it, they are asking single line questions, which makes ChatGPT not that good. So this is how we did it. What London girls say with what they mean, that's a good concept. The group chat queen, that's also a cool thing. Types of girls you meet at a London party, that's also a good thing. But yeah, now you have a problem, is that you can't go on a party every day and you're going to be posting like 3 to 5 videos every day. So you have to maybe take that one, for example. So let's start with number 1 and make a good script with a hook that makes people stay until the end. Good but short quality content, and then CTA at the end that makes people follow my account. Let's just try this one. Obviously, creating content for someone else this way is a little bit difficult. Okay, you have how many scenes? You have 3 scenes. The fake flex, the polite lie, the food dilemma. So okay, there are 3 scenes where you are showing this. He created one video that shows 3 different situations. That can be cool. Okay, let's say, could you also add sound effects and music? Now, music, I always recommend to use TikTok music because it helps you go viral. So now you have it. Script with sound effects. What London girls say, what they mean. It goes through everything with the scenes, sound effects, everything you can do. And then, once this is done, you are done shooting, try to edit this on your phone. It's much easier in my opinion, and it's much faster to shoot it on the phone, edit on the phone, add effects and everything. Okay, it won't be perfect, but that's not even the point. If you are new to TikTok, you will also know that in the beginning you will get like 200 and 400 views or something like that for a while. But the more content you push, the faster TikTok algorithm will understand your audience. Who are the people who like the content you create? And it will start pushing your content to them. And now, if you don't have any idea about TikTok at all, you can go to bit.ly/mcjj_TikTok. We created a step-by-step strategy plan for how we gain 200,000 followers in 2 weeks. If you follow that plan, it's impossible it goes wrong. It will always go as you plan. But of course, it takes some planning. You have to actually work for it. We didn't have high quality sound. We didn't have high quality light. We have a Oppo phone and limited resources. And still now MCJJ has 250,000 followers, which is a quite huge thing. When you think about it, it's just now maybe 5 or 6 weeks ago it started. The problem those big TikTokers create for other people is to suggest that they have to create content that is too complicated. But this is a simplified plan. This is how you can get started today. You don't have to sit here for weeks and learn new technology, new apps, new programs and new sites and new research and analytics and everything like that. No, just start posting. That's the main thing. Everything else you will learn on the road. If you're truly serious about growing your TikTok, then check out MCJJ's course on how he grew 200,000 followers in just 2 weeks. He breaks it down step by step. This is as simple as it gets. Everyone can do it.